Hi, I'm Lucas Whitmer. I'm a product development engineer here at the M.K. Morse Company, and today we're going to be talking about cutting thick pieces of steel with a hole saw. Now, the cutting mechanics here aren't too dissimilar cutting this thick piece of steel compared to cutting a 1/4 inch thick piece of steel or even a steel stud. You still have the same number of teeth engaged with your cut on the side of your workpiece. However, this is so much thicker, it gives more opportunity for this pilot bit to break if your hole saw goes to the side, or for the outside of your teeth to rip off if you kind of wobble in your cut a little bit too much. So, the first tip that we recommend when cutting thick pieces of material like this is making your pilot hole first. Your pilot hole is going to be one of the most important pieces to the hole saw puzzle. This is what everything is going to be spinning around while you're making your cut. So making this hole first and then going back through with your hole saw, guiding yourself through your own cut, is a very good tip. And make sure that your hole saw is going to stay centered around the center of your bit. Tip number 2 is going to be clearing chips. The gullet depth on these isn't optimized for super thick pieces of steel like this 1-inch plate. So bringing your hole saw out of your cut and letting some of those chips clear is going to be a very good thing. Also, making sure that you've got the outside handle on your drill is going to be a good tip as well, to make sure that your hole saw doesn't turn to the side and break your pilot bit off halfway through your cut. Finally, we've got to talk about cutting lubricant while you're cutting. This is going to greatly reduce the amount of heat that's being applied to your tips. It's also going to help a little bit with lubricity to help those teeth go through the outside of your cut a little bit easier. All of those things combined are going to help you cut thick pieces like this 1-inch steel plate much more effectively over the course of the life of your hole saw. For more information, please visit mkmorse.com or call our customer service department. Thanks for watching.